Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga tatay, daddy, papa, erpat, papi, tatang, padir, all grandfathers, uncles, and all the men who fill such important roles in our families and in our churches. Happy Father's Day, sweetheart.
Thank you, sweetheart.
And today we want to honor all of you because it is your day. I know and I believe that you are all so happy dahil una't higit sa lahat nandyan ang Panginoon na patuloy na nagmamahal sa inyo. We just want you to know how important you are to us. We salute you and keep on inspiring your children and your family to live out the faith in God, and that sana ang lahat ng mga panalangin at pangarap din ng inyong puso ay magkaroon ng katuparan. God bless you all and to God be the glory.
Praise God. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat, mga tatay. Happy Father's Day sa inyong pong lahat. Ang masasabi ko po sa araw na ito, sa Isaiah chapter 1 verse 19, if you are willing and obedient, you will eat the best from the land. To God be the glory.
So muli, from our family, happy
Happy
Father's Day. We love you and God bless you.